Hi there. This video shows you to share large videos using Google Drive in 2026 in a simple and practical way on your Android phone. First, open the Google Drive app on your Android device and make sure you are signed in with your Gmail account. From the home screen, you can choose an existing folder or leave it in the main storage area depending on how you want to organize your file. Next, tap the plus icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen and select the upload option to begin adding your video file. Browse your gallery, find the large video you want to upload, and tap it once to start the transfer process over a stable internet connection. Wait patiently while the upload completes, especially for big files, as the time depends on your network speed and video size. After uploading, tap the file, select the three-dot menu, and choose Share to generate a link that you can send to anyone. You can adjust permissions such as viewer, commenter, or editor so others can access the video exactly how you prefer. Finally, sharing large videos through Google Drive is one of the easiest methods in 2026 because it avoids file size limits and keeps your content secure and accessible from anywhere. We also recommend enabling automatic backup and checking storage space before uploading to avoid interruptions during the process. Make sure your Wi-Fi connection is strong, keep your phone charged, and regularly manage your Drive files for better performance and smooth sharing experience overall. We hope this guide helps you upload and share videos easily anytime without stress or confusion in daily usage today.